My name is Beruchan Okorolal. I work with Rainbow Radio as a presenter. Yesterday I hosted the Minister of Energy and Mineral Development, Honorable Fiona Nyamutoro, on a talk show. And I was the first to be given this gift from the Ministry of Energy. From today onward, I will never use charcoal or firewood in my cooking. I'm really happy, and I thank the minister, the ministry, and the government very much for having offered me this. In order to protect our environment, please, you either have electric pressure cooker like the one I have, or you use a liquid gas that is also being provided by the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development in partnership with Starbucks. The people of Nebbi are very, very happy and very appreciative because you can see from their faces, people are getting free gifts, and we have been advised that in any case you don't own the gas, you can only pay 100,000 shilling. Then all the equipments are handed to you for free, and the people are really happy. I'm sure in the next 2-3 months, nobody will be using charcoal or firewood. We shall preserve our environment, meaning the trees we are planting, we shall be planting them to protect our environment, not for firewood.